So one of the nice features of Ansible Tower is that you can work with notifications. A notification makes sure that on any event that is happening, user will receive a notification. Now, if you want to work with notifications, you first need to define the notification itself, and then you need to assign it to either your job or your workflow. We'll be talking about workflows later. So how does it work? We have a notification template. And in the notification template, well, I would say first, have a look at the notification types. Here we can see the different types that can be alerted, like email, but you can also use a webhook or send to Grafana or send a message to Slack. But let's just go for email. And let's configure this notification. So what is the name? Some problem, because that's typically what you want to use your notification for. Then we select the organization. I'm just staying in the default organization. The type is email. And then we need a username to actually send the notification. It's okay with me to do that as the Ansible user. And we need to specify all the different properties. So mail.example.com, the recipient list, which is the list of receivers, lisa@example.com. The sender email, that would be ansible@example.com. The email port that you are going to use, that will be a default port like port 25. A timeout, and here we have email options. So email options like use TLS and use SSL. And you can even set some customized messages. So in the customized messages, here we can see everything that you can do. So job friendly name, job ID, job name, job status, URL. This is what we can see on the job. So by default, if you don't do anything, it's just sending information about the specific job. There is one catch though with these templates, and that is, in order to use a template, you need a working email configuration. It goes a little bit too far for what we are going to do here, so I won't do that, but I am going to save the job template. So here we have the templates. Let's go back to my template and see what we can do with these notifications. As you can see, there's a notifications option right here. And in this notification option, we can see a list of all notifications, and we can select what needs to be happening when either the job is started, or when there's success on the job, or when there's a failure on the job. So if you just want to receive a notification when there's a failure, here we go. If you want to keep track on people starting this job as well, because something classified is done with this job, then select your start as well. Yeah, that is how you create your template notifications. So don't forget to get back to the job and save the job, because otherwise in your notifications it won't be there. I would always advise, once you have made a modification, it's not always obvious if the modification is made effective or not. Get back to the screen where you made the modification and verify that it's still there. As you can see right now, all has gone all right. So it's still there, and the notification is ready for usage.